For wine lovers and travelers alike, exploring the world's best wine regions offers a mix of stunning landscapes, rich history, and unforgettable flavors. From the rolling hills of France to the sun-kissed valleys of California, these destinations are a must for any wine enthusiast. Bordeaux, France. Bordeaux is home to some of the most prestigious wineries in the world. With over 6,000 vineyards, this region produces legendary red blends, known for their deep flavors and aging potential. A visit to Bordeaux isn't complete without exploring the Médoc, Saint-Emilion, and Pomerol regions, where centuries-old chateaux offer immersive tastings. Napa Valley, California, USA. Napa Valley is a world-renowned wine destination, known for its Cabernet Sauvignon and picturesque vineyard-lined roads. With more than 400 wineries, visitors can experience everything from small boutique tastings to large estate tours. The region also offers luxury resorts, fine dining, and scenic hot air balloon rides over the vineyards. Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany's rolling hills and medieval villages create the perfect backdrop for some of Italy's most famous wines. Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano are among the region's standout varietals. The combination of rich wines, traditional Italian cuisine, and historic charm makes Tuscany an essential stop for wine lovers. Mendoza, Argentina. Nestled at the foot of the Andes Mountains, Mendoza is Argentina's wine capital, best known for its bold and flavorful Malbec. Many wineries offer breathtaking views of the mountains while serving some of the finest wines in South America. Stellenbosch, South Africa. Stellenbosch, located near Cape Town, is South Africa's most famous wine region. Known for its exceptional Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinotage, and Chenin Blanc, this region combines world-class wine with breathtaking scenery. Each of these wine regions offers a unique experience, blending history, culture, and exceptional wine. Whether exploring the Chateau of Bordeaux, the rolling vineyards of Tuscany, or the bold flavors of Mendoza, these destinations provide the perfect escape for wine lovers and travelers alike.